Impact Hub Dallas organized a powerful interfaith iftar dinner at Crystal Banquet Hall, bringing together elected officials and community members to foster a political coalition dedicated to peace, safety, and equal rights. The event attracted over 500 attendees for the Grand Iftar Benefit Dinner, highlighting the community's commitment to these vital causes. The program commenced with a recitation of the Holy Quran.
Today we are here at Impact Dallas event and the Interfaith Iftar Dinner that was hosted by Impact Dallas.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Akhil Muhammad. I'm so honored to have you all today joining us for this beautiful Interfaith Iftar.
I want to thank you for all of your commitment to advocacy, civic education, and for the betterment of our shared home and community. Your work empowers families, strengthens neighborhoods, and ensures that every voice, no matter where it comes from, is heard in our democracy. America was founded on the promise of religious freedom, of people from all backgrounds coming together to build something greater than themselves. This tradition is not just history, but it is our responsibility to uphold today. At a time when too many are trying to silence our voices, especially minority voices who are speaking out for their communities, I want you to know that I see you, I hear you, and I stand with you. The right to speak and to advocate and to demand a better future. These are not just privileges, but they are fundamental.
The event was remarkable, bringing together an impressive array of attendees, including members of Congress, state representatives, city mayors, council members, faith leaders, and individuals from a multitude of backgrounds: Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Dalits, Buddhists, Ambedkarites, Jews, Caucasians, African Americans, Hispanics, and atheists among them. Speaking with Chalta TV, everyone expressed their positive feeling about this interfaith iftar dinner by Impact Dallas.
और माशाल्लाह डैलस इतनी बड़ी कम्युनिटी है कि यहाँ पर इतनी ज़्यादा वॉइड है कि सारी चीज़ों की बहुत ज़रूरत है। तो हम तो इंकरेज करेंगे कि इस तरह के इवेंट्स और होते रहें और बड़े स्केल पर होते रहें, और इससे होगा ये कि कम्युनिटीज़ एक दूसरे के पास आएंगे, हम ब्रिजेस बिल्ड कर सकेंगे एक दूसरे से, और इससे दोस्ताना प्यार मोहब्बत बढ़ सकेगा। और जो इस्लामोफोबिया की बात है वो इसमें कम होगा। जब तक एक साथ नहीं आएंगे, जब तक खाना साथ में नहीं खाएंगे, तो दोस्ती कैसे होगी। तो आई थिंक इस तरह के इनिशिएटिव्स बड़ी अच्छी बात है, और वन डैलस को बड़ी खुशी होती है कि अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इसको हमने स्पीयरहेड किया और माशाल्लाह दूसरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस इसको पिकअप कर रहे हैं।
पंजाब इनकी टीम बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है, और सबसे बड़ी चीज़ ये है कि ये अब यहाँ पर हमारे मुसलमान कैंडिडेट्स खड़े हो रहे हैं और इनकी एफर्ट्स है कि उन लोगों को इलेक्ट करवाना है।
तो इट वाज ए बहुत अच्छा फंक्शन था। इसमें बहुत ही ओवरवेलमिंग लोग यहाँ पे आए, तकरीबन 500 से ज़्यादा लोग होंगे, एंड बहुत अच्छी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, एंड आई थिंक दे आर डूइंग अ वेरी गुड वर्क, and it's a right milestone, right step for the right milestone.
Good thing for our community that finally they are sponsoring all these community iftar events.
हम माशाल्लाह अखिल में चला रहे हैं, तो उनका कोशिश करें कि उनको कामयाब करें। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बस यही है कि ही इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट इस्लामोफोबिया, अदर स्टफ, यू नो। तो यही है कि इलेक्शन भी चल रहे हैं, तो इंशाल्लाह जो है ना सबको बताना है कि भाई क्या चल रहा है, क्या है। मतलब वाइफ माशाल्लाह वो शुरू से ही ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व है मेरे से। आई एम ट्राइंग टू सपोर्ट हर एज मच एज आई कैन।
आज का इवेंट बहुत ज़बरदस्त था, इम्पैक्ट हब जी। कैसा लगा आपको इवेंट? हाउ वाज द इवेंट?
Well, this is good. We got a platform to know each other, and it's a platform to bring everybody, encourage everybody to vote, which is Mr. Akhil Ahmad. He's the one who brought us here.
This was a wonderful event. We are here at the Impact Hub Iftar program, and of course a fundraising. We have spoken before. My name is Shahid Bajwa, and I am the founder, Chairman, Board of Trustees of the Texas American Muslim University.
I think almost 500 people showed up here. They showed their spirit. They show, whatever they can do for this charity. lot of I'm seeing lot of माशाल्लाह से यहाँ पे pictures हैं जो हमारे जो हैं बहुत जी volunteers इतने हैं और बड़ा अच्छा इन्होंने collaborate किया, बहुत अच्छे से किया, खाना बहुत अच्छा था, इफ्तार बहुत अच्छा था.
I think what we are trying to do here is empower the community to get involved locally, getting in touch with them, with their representatives, making them accountable, and having representatives serve the people and not anybody else.
The event conveyed a strong message to the community. Let us unite to create a political coalition committed to fighting against hate ideologies and ensuring that our voices are heard loud and clear.
It's a totally jam-packed event because of a continuous effect of a newly almost like 1.5-year-old organization that did a marvelous job in Dallas community and surprised almost every person in a very big hall of Crystal Banquet Hall. So tell us a little bit about Impact Hub that you started just 1.5 years ago and getting popularity day by day. So tell us a little bit about as a president of Impact Hub.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, Jazakallah khair for coming. Alhamdulillah, the Impact Hub organization, we started 1.5 years ago to help the community so that they can participate in the democratic process, so that our voices are heard, so that we can be on the table. Because if we are not engaging in the political system, we cannot influence our voices, and then the decisions are taken without our inputs, which is not good. So we would like to encourage the community to be part of the local, state, and federal democratic election process, so that our representation can be increased.
We see that it is not an easy task. You need a very good, trustworthy team or volunteers. So tell us a little bit how long you were preparing for this event and how many volunteers and how big your team is so far.
Alhamdulillah, it happened after October 7th, Gaza situation, and it just happened coincidentally because we were active, have been, kind of active in the community back in Minnesota and also here in Dallas since a couple of years. So after October 7th, community was asking like, let's participate in the system, let's make sure our voices are heard. So we gathered, like 80 people gathered, and then we decided, okay, let's start something, and then gradually as we move forward with the city council resolutions, people realized our work, and then they started involving, and then some of them got involved as board members, and then we just increased, chalte, alhamdulillah, karwan jo ban gaya, as we say, right? So that's how, alhamdulillah, the work. And then we have 17 board members, more than 50 core volunteers, and then more than 100 general volunteers. So it's one of the most active political engagement organizations in Dallas.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.